Dovo sent this laser level for our review, and let me show you how it works, because this thing, if you're a DIY type of guy or gal and you like to be useful around the house, this is absolutely invaluable. If you're putting up frames on the wall, if you're actually just anything at all, you want to make sure that you're level not only on the horizontal but also on the vertical, and this is really cool. So obviously put it on the flat surface or a tripod, and I'll show you that in just a second. Press that button, long press will turn it on. And as you can see, you've got it right here. So this is where the laser comes out of that little frame there. And you've got a perfectly horizontal line. I press it one more time, you get that perfectly vertical line. And one last time, you get both. If you're especially doing window framing, if you're honestly throwing a laser line is so awesome, because it is a laser. It will go on and throw that line forever. So it doesn't matter the size of the room, small room, large room. You can be doing cabinet work in a bathroom, you're in a small room, no worries there. But if you need to have a huge line and make sure that you're leveled, obviously, this will do the trick. Now, the really cool thing with this is that it comes with this attachment. And this attachment is pretty cool, because the bottom here will actually screw onto this attachment. But this can also be screwed on to a tripod. So if you're in the center of a room, you need to throw that laser level at different angles, you can put it on a tripod, or you could do what I'm about to do right here. And this is really cool, because if you're, and I know this because I've done this before, of course, I'm going to install it just like that. Perfect. These here are magnets. So if you've got, like, for example, whenever I'm working around the house, I'll probably have a ladder. The ladder will be metallic. I can actually magnetize it to anything, anywhere I want, and put it in. I can even have it on the fridge if I wanted to, and throw that horizontal and vertical laser level line anywhere I want. This thing is super cool. Very easy to use. Also rechargeable, which is great. So USB is provided as well, because you can recharge it right then and there. And super light, so you can bring it anywhere you want. And the last cool thing that I wanted to show you, they do even give you that nice little carrying case that can fit a belt. So if you want to have it on you at all times, you can.